welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys on how we use the Shopkick app. Now the Shopkick app is actually one of the very first apps I have ever used, and back in the day they had it where you could only just scan the items and you would get points. I just had a son, I was bored out of my mind, so I would just go to Target, go throughout the store and scan items. Eventually I ended up saving enough points to buy a mirror, and I was so excited on what I bought, and this was way before I even couponed, so that was something cool. But what they have is they have a list of stores. Now they will ask you your location. When they ask you your location, it just kind of gives you a heads up. And then they have these things where they're called a walk-in. Now, I already walked into Walmart and I forgot to show that part. But what happens is, let's say we're going to walk into Target, and they have a thing where that's how they know where you are, but you open your app like right when you're walking in the store or sometime in the store, and you'll get 10 kicks just for walking in that store. Now, you're like, what are kicks? Well, kicks are just their points. So their system is a little bit different. So 10 points is you're going to times it by 0.004. So that is the math to figure out how much money you get. So basically from walking into the store, you get 4 cents. 4 cents just by walking into a store. Not every store offers this, like Target does, Walmart does. They do also have it where you can only do it so many times in a time frame. It might say that you're out. But like if I walked into Target, I walked into Family Dollar, and every store is different. You might not always get walk-in points. Sometimes they do have deals where if you are on a certain day, you might get 100 walk-in points. So that's kind of cool like that. So there's a lot of things on here. There's videos that you can watch on how to get free points. But we were just at Walmart, so I'm going to share with you guys on that. So first, let me share with you guys on how to find the items. So what you're going to do is you're going to find these items. Now, if you guys are a couponer and you watch other people do these deals, not everybody has the same rebates as everybody else. It depends on your location. Also, points are always different. So like if I bought this twin pack of Dove deodorant, I get 1,100 points for purchasing the product, but then you get 20 points for scanning it. So that right there, let's do our math, is 1,120. So you're gonna pay. I don't know the price is, but you're gonna pay for it. You submit your receipt. You end up getting that $4.48 back for scanning and purchasing that product, which could be a great deal. But they have tons of different options to choose from. Now, I actually have a lot of stuff. Sometimes you hardly have anything, but it all varies. And this stuff you can combine with other apps. Like usually we combine deals with like Target or with Ibotta, but pretty easy way to go. So now let me show you guys in the store how this works. So Shopkick is pretty easy. All you do is you just find the product that you want. So we're gonna get this Dove, actually we're gonna get this Degree dry spray. So we get 550 kicks for purchasing it, and you do get 15 kicks for scanning the product. So we'll end up getting $2.26 for that product. So what you do is you grab the item that you want, you find the UPC code, then you just hit scan, and here we go. We got 15 points just for scanning it, and then if I purchase the product, I'll get an additional 550 points. And then sometimes they do ask you for a survey. So if you're ever bored and you want something to do, look at all these options that you can do. So we could just take another Degree item here. We're just gonna take this Degree, we're gonna scan it. Voila, super easy, put it back on the shelf. Okay, so I showed you guys how the items work, how you scan the product. Like I said, you could just go through it one day and just scan. You don't even have to buy something. But I mean, just by scanning stuff, some stuff you get 30 points kicks just by scanning the product. And it's super awesome. But let's say we're gonna buy our stuff, okay? What you're gonna do, so right now, while I was in the store, I ended up scanning some stuff. I could have scanned more, but I was on a time crunch. But I already received 110 kicks just by scanning stuff. So I already made 44 cents just by scanning a couple items while I was in the store. But I did buy some stuff. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click receipts, okay? Then you're gonna scroll down, and you are going to make sure you you're gonna make sure you check off everything that you bought. So I ended up getting the Dove dry spray. I also got a Dove Degree. I ended up also getting men's Dove deodorant, and I got some of this soap. I know I got this one, and I did get 2 of them, so I will get bonus points for that. I also did get the Safe Clean, let's see, and I got this. Nope, actually I gotta uncheck. Hold on, I gotta check and see what I got, because you want to make sure you get the right product, because otherwise you'll get denied and then you have to go through this whole thing all over again. So I ended up getting the antibacterial, so that we're gonna take that one and we're gonna uncheck that one off. So we got that, and then I think that is everything that I got. Now again, if you forget to check off something, you can always resubmit your receipt, or you could always just contact Shopkick and they will help you out. But I think that is everything that I got today. I'm just double checking everything. Okay, so right here it shows that I am claiming 2,350 kicks. I'm just going to screenshot that so when I submit my receipt. So it's right here, 2,350, and then it says, do you want to submit your items? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your receipt right here, and you're going to make sure that you have it just like lined up. You want to make sure it's all lined up like here, and then you're going to hit OK, and you want to make sure it looks good. Since I have a long, I'm going to actually retake it because it got cut off, but it's hard to do it with my camera in the way. So right here we got that picture, and since it cut off right here, I need to take the other half. So I'm going to do add section and take a picture of the other half just like that. It's all good to go. So I am just going to hit done, and now I got 48 hours until I get my points. So right there I got 110 kicks, so we're going to do 110. And then I said that I got 2350, so we're going to add 2350 to that. So I got, from just buying a couple items and submitting my receipt, I will be getting 2,460. So again, you're going to do the math. So you're going to go times 0.004, so just like that. And right there, I will be receiving $9.84 back from Shopkick. Now, they do take a day or so to get your money, so make sure you're always paying attention to that stuff. But pretty easy if you guys need that. And Shopkick is super easy. Shopkick is something where you don't have to purchase anything. You can just scan items and get paid to do it. But pretty easy. So one more thing I wanted to mention about Shopkick. So Shopkick has another thing where you can get points for using your credit card. Now I have my credit card linked to the account. I'll try to show you guys that in just a second. But what happens is when I go to like is it like TJ Maxx and stuff, when I use my credit card, I actually get points on here, and it's probably not going to show up. Sometimes it might not be on here anymore. TJ Maxx used to be on here, so is Marshall's, and now it's not. Well, look at that. But anyways, let's say I go to Hallmark, okay? And Hallmark, if I use my credit card, it says right here, link. So here we have the Hallmark option. These are my linked cards. So I have a credit card linked to my thing. So if I would go to Hallmark and I would spend $1, I actually get 5 kicks per every $1 that I spend. So I don't get the money right away. It does pend for a while, but it's super easy to do. But I know like with I know they had it with like TJ Maxx and stuff, but now all of a sudden that's all gone. It might be just because of my location that I'm in. But like usually it's here, but it could have gone away. It might come back. But so basically you link your thing, and some of these accounts you would get money for it. So like here, if I would buy something on Groupon, I could actually shop now through the app, and I would get 40 kicks for every $1 that I spend. Now that is a limited time, so if you think about it, 40 kicks is 16 cents. So if I spent, let's say, 50 bucks, I would get $8 back just by buying something through Groupon. So that's a kind of a good deal right there. Thank you, sweetie. So we got something like that, but you could, you know, go to shopdisney.com and you get $7 back and all that stuff. So here's TJ Maxx. I don't know why it's not doing it on, it's showing online, but every time I go to the store, I know I always get something on my credit. But here there is also options where you guys can watch videos. It's not gonna work today. But they also have it where if you watch specific videos, you can get paid for something like that. So I get 1 kick for watching 50 seconds of this video. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. And then there is Discover. Discover, I have known that they have free points in here every once in a while. So if you click some of this stuff, and let's see if we can find a hidden one. They haven't done the hidden ones in a while, but for a while, this is how Shopkick used to work back in the day, is where you would just go and like look through these items and they would have free kicks. Like that's all you did, and look for kicks. So I don't want that offer. Let's just see if we can find it. It does vary from time to time, but here you can just look at an ad. That ad doesn't have anything. But sometimes they do have them and sometimes they don't. It just depends on, like, we can hit Alta. Nothing. So they do have some free kicks. Here is how to, if you guys need to do it, but here is how to upload receipts, how to scan, how to invite your friends, how to walk in, how to earn kicks. So they do have that, but I guess we're not going to have any free. Okay, so here they have some videos where you can watch the videos and you will get kicks. So you get 3 kicks for watching certain videos. But yeah, so that's just basically how it works to get free points by doing nothing. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.